Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set a custom image or rather custom watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Honor Health application, and once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And in the app you should see the health page. Now tap on device icon and here you should see your Honor Watch 5 on the list. Tap on it to select it, then tap on more option next to the watch face market right here. And after the market opens, tap on Me category to open the list of watch faces already installed on your watch. And here you have the gallery watch face. Tap on it. Once you open it, tap on the box next to photos to activate it. And then you will see this plus button. Basically, it will allow you to add the background to your watch face. So tap on the plus. And as you can see, you have two options, camera and select from gallery. Camera option allows you to take a photo and then use it as a watch face, and the select from gallery allows you to select the photo from the phone itself. So if you have some photos in, let's say, the download folder, you can select it from there. First, I'm gonna use the camera app. I'm gonna show you how to use it. So allow the permission. It will open the camera app. You can take the picture. So let's maybe take a picture of this. Okay. And once you take a picture, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And now we need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on the watch face. So we need to select the part of it. And you can zoom in, zoom out. You can rotate. You can move left and right. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. And let's say I'm gonna move it like that. Okay. And then tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have a preview of our watch face. You can add multiple pictures, so let's add another one. For example, this time let's select from gallery. So open the download folder and select something from the folder. Then crop it, of course, like that, and tap on the check mark. And now we have two different pictures, as you can see. And you can also customize it a bit. You can tap on style, and here you can change the style of the clock. And also location, so where the clock is located. And once you're done customizing your watch face, you can then tap on save and it will start uploading the watch faces to your watch. You can add more than 2 photos, of course. I don't know how many, probably up to like 5 or 6, but the 2 of them are enough. So let's save now, and we'll start uploading the photos to our watch. And once it's done uploading, the watch faces will be applied on your watch. And you can cycle between them by tapping on the current watch face, or rather they will cycle when you wake up the screen, each time you wake up the screen. So if it turns off, you wake it up, it should basically cycle the watch face each time you wake up the screen. Okay, and that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.